We have my favorite food in the whole world. Greasy, delicious, wonderful Chinese food. And particularly, I love orange chicken. I love bourbon chicken. I love whatever recipe this chicken is over here. I love fried rice. I love noodles. I love the oil. I love the sweetness. I love the spiciness. It's perfect to me. And, you know, it never gives me like an upset stomach. It just always sits nicely. So I really love this food. I hope that you guys aren't sick of me making these videos. In fact, lately my Chinese food videos have been doing pretty well. So I'm really happy about that. And thank you guys for watching them. Because again, this is my favorite food, and I definitely want to do videos that you guys want me to do. Like if there's a food that you guys want me to eat, I always like to try to make an effort to eat it. But for the most part, I'm just eating foods that I like and hoping that you like it as well. Because I'm not gonna, you know, eat food that I don't care for or food that I don't crave just for a YouTube video. So I'm just glad that you guys like the food that I naturally like to eat. Anyway, let's dig in. Why do these chopsticks feel like skinnier than normal or something? So good. $10 for all this. Not bad. Sometimes when they serve you up, they give you a lot, and sometimes they just give you a normal amount. To me, this is a normal amount. This is still a big lunch. So, what are you guys up to today? I hope to the person right now, the person who's watching this right now, I hope things are going well for you. And I hope you're not stressed out about anything. I hope you're just enjoying your day. And I hope you're enjoying this video. I really do. I'm not trying to be parasocial. I mean that with distance. I want you to be happy. I'm not saying, me personally, I want to make you happy. I'm saying I just hope you in your own life, in your own volition, are happy. Also, I don't think parasocial relationships are necessarily bad. It just depends on the person. Like everything in life. It just depends. Ooh. But did you guys have a good Christmas? This video might be posted like substantially after Christmas, so sorry about that. But I'll probably soon I'll catch up and my videos will be like I want it to be the day I film a video is the day I post the video, but sometimes it just doesn't work out that way. But I never post videos that are like extremely old. It's always like, oh, well, I don't know. Sometimes I'll edit a video and like upload a short version of it or something like that, like a video that's a year old or whatever. But when I post like long form videos where I'm talking, there's always brand new videos. They just may have been filmed like a month ago. But it doesn't really matter. This is so good. Do you think I'm going to be able to finish it all? What do you think? Take a guess. these noodles are slippery. So, I am having a good day. I never say anything interesting. I'm always just like, I'm having a good day today. All right, let's switch to the fork, and let's hold the let's actually hold it up. Look at it glowing in the sunlight. Are you glowing in the sunlight? I only have one video that has 10,000 views, or over 10,000 views, which is cool, but I want more. Huh. Well, I think I have a couple shorts videos with like 10,000 views maybe. But I mean like a main channel or long form video. I only have one video with 10,000 views. And I want more than that. I want like a bunch. But really, I would love to break 100,000 views on a video. That seems really hard to do. And it may never happen, but I hope it does. I will say, I don't think this content is good enough to get 100,000 views. But if one of my videos randomly happens to pick up and get 100,000 views, I would be happy about that. That's all I'm saying. I'm not saying I deserve it, but it'll be cool. I mean, really, I should be getting 1 million views per video. Don't you think? For me, I'm always really, really happy if one of my videos gets 1,000 views. Because that's a lot, you know? It's very substantial. And I would say, like, maybe 25% of the videos I post might eventually get 1,000 views. But for the majority, I don't get 1,000 views per video. But then here and there, I'll randomly get a video that gets like 4,000 views.